I would also introduce my patients to something called coconut oil pulling,
Right.
just to help nourish the oral microbiome. Coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, is known to be antiviral, antibacterial because of the lauric acid in there. What I do is just totally simple. Just take a teaspoon of coconut oil, put it in your mouth, and buy some essential oils. I use peppermint essential oil, oregano essential oil, and you could put in a little bit of propolis, and if you have like an oral probiotic, and just put it in there, and then switch it gently around in your mouth for about 5 to 15 minutes. I normally do this when I wake up. I wake up like 5 a.m., go straight to the kitchen, make me a big glass of water with essential amino acids in it, and I eat a few supplements with it, and salt. And then after this, I do the coconut oil pull while I prepare things, and then spit it out and go to the gym and train. And so this is in the time when I do something else, like maybe preparing anything. So you just have to basically make a routine out of it and put it into your daily schedule. And it feels so good, especially in wintertime. Sometimes in summertime, I maybe do it once in a while, like every other day. But in wintertime, I do it religiously every day. It feels so good. It feels like I'm just more healthy right after it. And
yeah, I mean, it's an excellent detoxification, right? Carax therapy, it's also called, or oil pulling. I use a brand called Skinny, no promotion. It just happens to have peppermint oil. It's very finely extra virgin. Yeah.
Yeah, I know that. I know the guys actually who
Matt Getty. Yeah, the Gettys, right? Yeah, I know him too.
Yeah, they actually send me a bunch of these things. Yeah,
it's good stuff. It's good stuff. Yeah, we give it to patients to do also who are going through detoxification and everything. Now, do you usually tell people before or after you brush to do oil pulling?
I personally don't brush my teeth only once a day. So I do one sitting is coconut oil pulling, and
that's so funny to hear, by the way. That's so funny to hear a dentist being like, I know this also from reading the book, you don't use mouthwash either, right?
No, I don't. I basically also I do not floss. I do nothing. I just have a perfect diet that sustains my oral microbiome. So I don't have any fur on my teeth. I don't actually have to clean them. I just do it because of smelling issues. But the coconut oil really cleans and detoxifies it. But for general recommendation, just clean your teeth twice a day. I would probably clean my teeth first and then do the coconut oil pulling, because I think a bit of the coconut oil and all these things will still stay in there for a while. So if you want to do both, start with brushing first and then do the oil pulling. Takes a little bit longer. Maybe do your coffee while you oil pull, maybe do a little bit of the dishes, whatever. Just make it into a routine.